Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Jiya, you're watching Sonotjiyasharma. This is the makeup look I'm going to be doing in this video. My skin is not the clearest. I have two big zits. If this is something you want to watch, go ahead. If not, see you next week. Comment down below what you'd like to see me do next week. Let's get right into the video. Hi, thank you for watching this. First of all, I am gonna go right into it by just tying my hair up real quick. My hair is up. This is my makeup stuff. I should have kept it aside. We're gonna start off by moisturizing our face. I've not done that. I've just splashed it with water. This is the Biotique Morning Nectar moisturizer. I've been using this for like 3 or 4 years maybe, and I'm just gonna apply it generously on my face. Next, I'm gonna apply this aloe vera gel. It's by Vaseline. I have read somewhere or maybe I've seen somewhere you can use it as a primer too. I'm just gonna apply it here and here. Now, once your face is not having any extra product on it, you can go in with your base. But before that, I'm gonna apply a lip balm. I'm gonna use the Biotique Berry. I'm not gonna go too overboard with the makeup. I'm just gonna keep it a little natural and subtle. I have this InClinic what do you call it, foundation. Before I go in with my foundation, I'm gonna go in with the concealer. That is Maybelline Fit Me. It's in the shade 15, I think. Yeah, it's in the shade 15. I'm just gonna go and conceal my acne. I was trying to record this video like a few days later once my acne was not as prominent, but then I thought to myself that I like authenticity. If I'm not showing you guys who I really am, then what's the point, right? I'm just gonna blend it in with my finger. I think over the years I've become very comfortable with my skin, so I don't like to hide how it is. As you can see, it's not completely hidden right now, and I'm okay with that. Next, we're gonna go with this foundation. This is very dense, so I'm gonna mix it with my moisturizer. I'm just gonna take a little bit. That's about it. I could mix it with my aloe vera gel also. Should I try the aloe gel today? Going with a little bit of aloe vera gel. I'm gonna go in with this brush. Another thing, usually I would apply my sunscreen before doing my base. I forgot to apply the sunscreen. I blended the base in my face, and I just feel like it's a little more red than I would like it. So I'm just gonna go in with another layer of concealer over it. I think I'm gonna go with a little concealer on the sides of my mouth as well. We're done with the base now. I know many people prefer doing their eyes after their base because there's more space for you to correct if you mess something up, but I think I never mess up, so it's fine. I'm gonna go in for a very natural look, a very basic look. I'm gonna use this makeup palette. It's the Nude 3 palette by BYS. I'm gonna go in with this blending brush. I'm just gonna use a base color first, this one. I'm gonna just all over my eyelids. I'm gonna go in with a little darker color, maybe this one, and I'm gonna just do my crease just like that, and the same for the other. Oh my god, this is dark. Don't worry, we're gonna blend this out. I think I messed up a little. Wow, I think I jinxed myself when I said I will never mess up. I'm gonna remove a little bit of product with my finger. I think it's fine. Let's do our inner crease. This is the brush that came in with this palette. So I'm just gonna take a little shimmer. This is the shade Honey. I'm gonna take this a little and I'm gonna just dab it over my inner lid. It's not gonna be too fancy, but like if you wanna go out on a dinner, maybe with your friends, this is like something you can do. Another thing that I like to do is the under eye. I'll take caramel again and just gonna. My heart shakes like the waves in a baseline. Good girl goes too soon. I think I can already see a little difference. Also, your base ka color, it takes a little time to melt into your skin. Next, we're gonna go in with a blush. This was a lipstick that I ordered from MYGLAMM. I really didn't like it on my lips, so I just use it as my blush. We're only gonna take a little bit because it tends to be too much. It's very pigmented, very pigmented. So this is the brush, and we're just gonna go in with like one little dot here, one little dot here, and a little bit on my nose. That's about it. Oh my god, look, this is how pigmented this is. This is not gonna stay like this, trust me. Oh my god, this is like too much. We're just gonna blend it. Don't worry if like बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. You always have cotton. This is so chaotic because I never do my makeup like this. Wherever you don't have pigment, you just clean your cheeks with that. Look. Now it's coming back to shape. We just want a hint of pink. Blend it right away because this is a liquid lipstick, so it is going to dry up and it's gonna leave patches. Let me bring cotton. I messed up. This is bothering me a little, I'm not gonna lie. But I think it's all about self-acceptance, it's all about self-love. मेरे को भी eyeliner लगाना है. This is the Lakme ka the basic eyeliner that everyone has at their home. I hope I won't mess up. Will I? No, I won't. Build yourself up from whatever's left of us and the parts that stayed behind. Okay, I think I like this. So what I did was I took my brush from the middle and I connected it to the end. Now we're gonna quickly do the other eye as well. Is it equal? I hope it's. I think the angles are a little off. This is a little down, this is a little up. We're done with our eyeliner. I think I'm gonna go in with a little mascara. This is some local brand ka mascara and I think it's dried up, so it's just gonna brush my eyelashes. Because we went for a nude eye, we're gonna go for a nude lip too. This is a lipstick that I really like, but before that I'm gonna apply a little more lip balm. This was a gift from a friend. This is the Nykaa's Lip Crush. Next then I'm gonna go with this lipstick. It's by Streetwear. I don't know if it's a brand or what. It's in the shade Peach Sizzle. It's 24. I'm just gonna go in just a little bit. Just blending it in. After this, I'm gonna apply one coat of this Nykaa lipstick. It's in the shade Bombae, shade 10. And I really love this shade. It was also a gift by a friend. I'm just gonna apply it on top of it. Yeah, we're done with the lips. This is the whole look. I look cute. But also, besties, like, the makeup doesn't matter. It's your vibe that matters a lot more. I'm not going anywhere. So this was just, you know, just for you and I. Let me go and let me come back wearing something cute. Retake. Hi, this is the final complete look. I'm really happy with it. Also, I got a haircut recently. I forgot I could also apply my highlighter. I think I'm gonna go in with bronze. That looks so cute. So hit me. So cute. Why do I always remember stuff at the last moment? Very messy. This was very messy. If you'd like more makeup tutorials, lifestyle, skincare stuff, make sure you comment down below and let me know. Thank you for watching and see you next week. Till then, bye. Enough of my case, so let's cut to the chase. Listen up, cause these are the directions. Obey what I say, don't complain, I don't wanna hear questions. Follow my lead, time to fall to your knees. It's an order, it's not a suggestion.